How to resolve Facebook temporarily blocked error. So what you can do is go over to your Facebook and long press on it. Go over to app info, and then at the very bottom you'll see the clear data option. So press on clear all data and press on clear cache. So once you do that, go over and go out of that and go over to where your airplane mode is. So turn this on and then leave it on for a few seconds and then turn it off again. And then just go ahead and do this a couple of times and then restart your Facebook and try to log in again. So if this doesn't work, then you'll have to wait a few days until your Facebook is not blocked anymore. So that is how to resolve Facebook temporarily blocked error.